Today I'm going to be showing you this mini leather backpack that I was sent to try out. Inside of the handy dust bag, you receive the high quality bag. It can be used as a diaper bag, backpack, book bag, and more. The bag features a decent sized double zipper pouch on the front with storage inside, as well as a small zipper pouch above that. There's water bottle holders on each side and a small zipper pouch on one of the sides. The inside of the bag features a small zipper pouch, a built-in key lanyard, a pouch, an insulated bottle holder on each side, a built-in portable charger, and another small zipper pouch. The bag also features sturdy adjustable straps.